Hi, good morning, dears. Today we are going to see the go through session. Through this, you can find out your mistakes, what did you do in your answer sheet. Okay, dears. I hope everyone did your exams very well. Am I correct? Okay. This exam for 40 marks, and I have divided four parts in the question paper. Section A, B, C, and D. Section A is a comprehension passage. For this is means you have to read till you understand this paragraph, because then if you understand, then only you can write the answers very easily. Okay, am I correct, dear? Yes, that paragraph is read the following passage and write the answer. The Mattur Dam is a large dam in India in 1934. It was constructed on a gorge where the river Kaveri enters the plains. The dam is one of the oldest in India. It provides irrigation facilities to a part of Salem, the length of Erode, Namakkal, Karur, Tiruchirappalli, and Tanjavur. The Mattur hydroelectric power project is also quite large. The dam, the park, power station, and hills make Mattur a tourist attraction. This is your paragraph, and this is your question. A. What is Kaj dash? First town, second one village, and third one church. And another one is that missing. The option I didn't give, so confirmation mark is I gave given. Okay, 1 mark is correct one. And B is what are the districts which get irrigation from the dam? What is the what are the districts which get irrigation from the dam? That is Salem, Erode, Namakkal, Karur, Tiruchirappalli, and Tanjavur. And C, is the Mattur Dam a place of tourist attraction? Yes, it is a place of tourist attraction. Next, D, when was the Mattur Dam built? It was built in 1934. Next, say true or false. Coal is used to generate hydroelectric power. False. The coal is not used to generate hydroelectric power. Okay. Kaj means valley. Valley is not, I didn't give. That's why the option A, I mean first question A is I will give the mark to you. Okay. Don't worry, dear. Section B, literature. The section B whole questions only related to the book. Okay. I have given 15 marks to this section. Roman letter 1, write the correct answer. First one, dash wore a question mark for tail. Which is wore a question mark for a tail? Squirrel. Squirrel is the correct answer. Second one, the squirrel likes to dash. Option A, eat. Option B, tease and play. Option C, run. Option B, tease and play is the correct answer. Third one, what was inside the bitterberry bush? Option A, small kitten. Option B, cat. Option C, dog. Option A, small kitten is the correct answer. That is not a cat, small kitten inside the bitterberry bush. Next, fourth one, why did Ravi says lie to his grandmother? Did is wrong in the question paper, dear. Sorry for that. Why did Ravi says lie to his grandmother? Option A, by hide the cat. B, by noise. C, by brings a glass of milk. Option C, by brings a glass of milk. Next, fifth one, from whose descendant the kitten came? Option A, Ravi Verma Rishikesh. Option B, Mahendra Verma Pallava Rishikesh. And B, none. The option B, Mahendra Verma Pallava Rishikesh. Okay. Next, Roman letter second. Write the synonym and antonym to following words. Make two kind of sentence for both synonym and antonym using with conjunction but. When we are using but, it's having two, one is synonym and one is antonym, means that place we are using but. So you have to find out first the synonym and antonym for the following words. First one, tease. What is the antonym, synonym of tease? Annoy. Antonym is a praise. So you have to make a sentence using annoy and praise with the but. Okay. Next, second one, hurt. Hurt synonymous injured and antonym comfort. Third one, flourish. Flourish synonymous grow and antonym die. And fourth one, breed. Breed antonym destroy, synonymous generate, I mean produce. Next, fifth one, frighten. Frighten synonymous afraid and antonym bold, brave. Okay. These things, not only these only exact answer means is wrong. You can get some synonym and antonym in your dictionary. So no problem. But I expecting the correct answer will be there. Next, Roman letter third, write the sentence with change the gender to opposite which is in bold. First one, the rooster was killed by an axe. What is the opposite gender of rooster? Hen. What is the opposite gender of axe? Cow. So the hen was killed by a cow. Second one, my landlord has many pets in his house. That answer is my landlady has many pets in her house. Third one, his brother works as a waiter. His sister works as a waitress. Next, fourth one, my father bought a pencil for my brother. My mother bought a pencil for my sister. Fifth one, my uncle presented is a mistake. My uncle presented a watch to him. The right answer is my auntie presented a watch to her. Next, Roman letter 4, answer the questions. He likes to tease and play. Who is teasing whom? How? That the poet likes to tease and play with the squirrel. Whenever the poet went a little close to the squirrel would run away in the other directions. Okay. Second one, what did the squirrel do if someone came too close to his tree? The squirrel would run away in the opposite direction if someone came too close to his tree. Next, third one, how does Ravi get milk for the kitten? This place you have to write what are the troubles he faced to bring the glass of milk. That the troubles you have to write there for this question. Okay. Fourth one, what was the name of the kitten? How it got that name? The kitten name was Mahendra Varma Pallava Pune, and how did it get the name you have to write. Okay. Next, fifth one, what was the noise that startled Mridu and frightened Mahendran? It came from the learning class. I mean the Lily learned to play the violin. Next, section C, grammar. It has 10 marks. Roman letter 1, filling the blanks. I would like to tell dash story. Next, second one, I saw dash boy was read dash English story. These articles you have to fill. First one, I would like to tell a story. I would like to tell a story. Next, second one, I saw a boy when he was read a English story. Okay, a English story. Next, third one, I want to go America, France, London and China. Okay. Next, fourth one, I want dash or to finish my homework. Listen, again I said the third question. I want to go to dash America, dash France, dash London and dash China. The countries couldn't get anything. So, before that you should not write anything. I want to go to America, France, London and China. That is fine. Next, fourth one, I want an R. Because R sound, A sound. So, an. Fifth one, my grandma house is in dash East Street at Papanadu. My grandma house in East Street. So, sorry. In the East Street at Papanadu. Okay. Next, Roman letter second, write the following passage with article. Yeah, 10 years old boy who battled with The crocodile in the river 20 kilometers from here is now recovering from his wounds in, yeah, local hospital. Sorry dear, yeah, local hospital, because it's a one, yeah, local hospital, but his left thigh bears 12 tooth marks, which will leave scars lasting the rest of his life. After proudly showing off his scars, the boy told a newspaper reporter this story. Yeah, newspaper. Next, he was bathing in the river with his friend, also 10 years old, near the kampong where they both live. I was splashing about in the shallow part of the river near the bank close to a old coconut stump which had been washed down by erosion. Okay, this is your answer. First one is A, second one is D, third one is D, fourth one is A, fifth one is D, sixth one is A, seventh one is D, eighth one is D, ninth one is A. Okay, this is your answers. And section D, general. Romato 1, make a story using the following words. That word is tears, present, a part, death, happiness. Using these four words, you have to make one story. Okay. Next, that story should be 150 words. Romato 2nd, describe about the following picture more than 5 lines. This picture, raindrop and tree is there. You have to connect the both picture images and make a story. Okay. I mean describe that. Thank you dears.